Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to get started with DataWorks Cloud. DataWorks Cloud is a fully hosted enterprise-grade data CMS which you can easily access through your browser. Before starting, please make sure Java 7 version 51 or higher is installed on your machine. For best user experience, we recommend to use Firefox browser. Although the system works with other browsers as well, Firefox provides best results. Access DataWorks Cloud through URL cloud.dataworks.com/dataworks/dashboard. Here we see DataWorks Cloud login screen. Enter your username and password. Click the login button and get started with DataWorks Cloud.